Hello guys, hi everyone, welcome. This is Anvita. Today I am here with the new topic, that is difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Okay, so friends, the required material to do our experiment is salt, sugar, oil, water and etc. glasses. So friends, here homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. So mixtures are divided into two types. One is homogeneous and another is heterogeneous. So homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the components of mixture are uniformly distributed throughout it. For example, lemonade and sugar solution and etc. Okay, now let me take that. So friends, I have taken empty glass and I am pouring water in it. So next what I am going to do means I am going, so you can observe this is a sugar. So I am going to be, so this is a sugar, so I am going to be add the sugar in the glass. So okay, let me keep it aside. So next I have taken empty glass and I am pouring water in it. So you can observe this is a salt. Okay, are you able to observe it? Yes, this is a salt and this is a water that I have taken. So now I am adding salt to it. You can see. So you can see I added salt in it. Okay. So you can see this is a salt water and this is a sugar water. So sugar is a mixture and water is a mixture, and here salt is a mixture and water is also a mixture. So that when I added sugar in it, it completely dissolved, isn't it? Yes. So when a mixture, when a physical component of a mixture dissolve completely in a particular thing is called homogeneous mixture. Okay, and here I have taken the salt. So here salt is a mixture and water is a mixture. So when I added the salt to it, it completely dissolved. Okay, so the material, the things which will be dissolved in a thing is called homogeneous mixture. Okay, so now let me learn about heterogeneous mixture. So an heterogeneous mixture is a mixture. It is made up of different substances or the same substances but in different state, and they are not uniformly distributed through it. Okay. Okay, let me take the example for it. So you can see I have taken empty glass. I am pouring water into it. So I have taken water in this glass. And you can observe this is the oil. Okay, are you able to observe it? This is the oil. So now I am going to pour this oil in the water. So you can see what happened. So what happened, the oil doesn't dissolve in it. When we add the sugar to the water, it completely dissolve, and when we take the salt and when we poured in it, it completely dissolve. But you can observe here, when we take the water and when we will be mix in it, you can see here the oil. So the oil doesn't mix in it. Okay, so an heterogeneous mixture is nothing but if we take any, so water is a mixture and oil is a mixture. So when we add them, it the oil doesn't dissolve in it. So whatever the physical components of mixture will not dissolve in a mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. Okay friends, so I think now you are able to understand about homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Thank you.